Alright, week 9, day 4, Thursday. Minute 34. Number 1. The number 1 with 3 zeros after it would represent 1,000. Match the name of each word in this figure. So we have a four-sided shape, we have a four-sided shape that's pretty perfect, and we have a four-sided shape that is a perfect square. So I know for sure this is a square, and a quadrilateral is, oops, sorry, no, that's not what I meant to do. B is a rhombus. A rhombus is like a diamond. Two sets of parallel sides, and they're parallel, but there's no 90-degree angles. For problems 3 to 4, use the grid to the right. What percentage of the grid is shaded? So again, I'm just gonna I always double check. Not that I think they're tricking me on purpose, that's how I check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a 10 by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 33, 36, 39. 39%. If 50% is supposed to be shaded, how many more boxes would need to be shaded? Well, you'd have to shade, so 39, 40 would be one more, would make 40, and then plus 10 would make 50. So you would need to add 11. Okay, 16 divided by 2. So half of 16 is 8, half of 8 is 4, and half of 4 is 2. Because it's 16 divided by 2 equals 2. So or 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Fill the box with the next number in the sequence. So the hundreds are the same, thousands are the same, 10,000s are the same, 100,000s are changing by 1 every time. So 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So I could keep everything the same. 5, 6, 9, 4, 6, 0, 0. And that would complete the pattern. An electric fence around the property, would be most like the blank of the property. Area, volume, or perimeter. Perimeter. Because you're just putting a fence on the outside. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, and it equals, what do we need to get to 20 from 5? So I could take 20 away, 20 minus 5 equals 15. Because 15 plus 5 is 20, and 4 times 5 is 20, so they are equal. This is true. Okay, I talked about this with the multiplying in the hundreds and tens the other day. When you're multiplying, you're going to move the decimal to the right. When you divide, you move the decimal to the left. So here, when you're moving the decimal to the right, you move it however many spaces there are zeros. So if there's 1 0, we move it 1 space. So we would have 23 and 6/10. We have it in 2 spaces here because there's 2 in the zeros. So I'm going to move this twice, and that would be 34. Now, there's no decimal here that you see, but there is always a decimal here. But Miss Faith, there's no number after it. Guess what you always put? You put a 0, and then we're going to move it. So, 460. Next, half of 40. Well, half of 40 is 20. Half of 50, if you have to split $50 2 ways, half of 40 is 20, half of 50 would be 5 more because you're splitting it equal ways. 185.